Today's ingredients. Hello guys, welcome back to One Pan Kitchen. Today's menu is my second risotto, creamy tomato risotto. Based soup is chicken stock, of course, with Parmesan cheese. Maybe if it's good recipe for pasta, good recipe for risotto as well. Okay, let's get started. Stock cube is very helpful to easy cooking. Oyuni, air, te, guru, han, in Japanese. This is my point. I'm not sure what ingredient should be first, to be honest. So, today, put onion first, then, put garlic, after that, put my rice. Please, someone advise me. This is my second point. What timing to put tomato sauce should be best? Because my tomato sauce haven't been made hot. My respective chef YouTuber said, in his video, after putting rice, it's better, every ingredient is kept hot. Maybe, no problem so far, is it? Hita style coming now, to keep just to cover my rice. If you want some stock more? Little by little. Little by little. Little by little. Little by little. Maybe 13 to 15 minutes is best for al dente style. Okay, going to finish. Tomato and cream are good combination. Look at this, so beautiful. Of course, I love Parmesan. Parmigiana is the best for me. Unfortunately, I can't get it here. Are you ready? Enjoy, happy lunch. How was your day? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you soon, bye bye.